Hoi, you're watching BrickLex and these are two of the Lego meets Ikea BYGGLEK, I think it's pronounced, products. They released today and after work I went to Ikea to pick these up. First we have a Lego set with actual Lego pieces. And second, a storage container, and they have three different versions of this. A smaller one, I think it's half of this one, and they have one box with three storage containers. The middle one was sold out, the smaller ones they had, but I want to use this to store my film equipment like cables and my tripod and things like that. So yeah, I think one is enough. This box is actually quite heavy, and the funny thing is it's really an Ikea product, but this one is also really a Lego product. So yeah, I'm curious to see what's actually inside. So let's open the storage container first. Okay, here we have the iconic Ikea instructions. And it looks quite simple to assemble this box. And these are the pieces. It actually feels like Lego. It's great quality plastic. And on these studs over here, they all have the word Lego on them, just like a regular Lego brick. Okay, there's 6 pieces in the box, so let's put this together. And here it is. I actually expected it to be a little bit higher, and also the lid is not attached to the box. It's falls in place, but there are no Lego connections. Also inside the box there are no studs, and I did not expected them, but they show a lot of buildings inside the box, so maybe it was useful to have some studs inside. It looks great, the quality is great, and yeah, it's a big base plate, which is cool. The windows are a fun detail. You can build something here, and all 4 sides have a window. So that's the storage container. Now let's open up the Lego set. There are some minifigs on the box and some loose pieces, but I have actually no idea what's inside. So let's see. Okay, there are 4 bags. There are no numbers. There's a little booklet and it shows some IDs and it shows the other boxes. So I have this one. Okay, let's open up the bags. So Bag number 1 contains the biggest pieces, like a door, some windows, a brick separator, which is quite rare in such a cheap set, I guess. And some bricks in different colors. And some small plates. Then the second bag. We have some smaller bricks, 1x4s and 2x2s, some slopes, and also a torso, a minifigure head, another torso, pants. So I expect, yes, there's another head. And oh, here is the other pair of pants. Furthermore, in these bags are some smaller window pieces, an arch piece, some round blocks, and some smaller plates. And I think the color scheme is really nice. You have orange pieces, dark blue, some greens, you get it. Then the third bag contains even smaller pieces. Okay, here we have some minifig accessories, like 2 hats and blonde hair. I also saw something with a ponytail, I guess. Oh, it's in here. So here's the 4th headpiece. There's a white antenna, a pink dish piece, some smaller slopes, some inverted slopes, some smaller pieces. So yeah, it's a really basic collection of pieces. Then the last bag, even more small pieces, like this cap with a ponytail. But there's also a pink helmet. So there are 5 head pieces. There's a small frying pan. There's a mug. There are 2 mugs actually. There's a banana. There's a hot dog bun. There are 2 hot dogs. There's some leaves, some flowers. Some of these vines, I think. You can use this as a tap. So yeah, it's a nice variety of pieces. So let's assemble something. Okay, and here it is. First of all, I did not build anything on top of this box, because I built a house inside and it took me like half an hour or something. So I only placed the window piece in here and decided to put everything else inside. So let's open this up. And let's take a look. Okay, first of all, I'm not a great Lego builder at all, but I thought it has to be a house because it's Lego and Ikea. So what I did, I built a modern kitchen with a sink and a stove and a coffee machine. Also a dining table with a very big plant on top of it. And 2 chairs. Over here I built a fireplace, so that's supposed to be fire. A coffee table with a giant plant. And also a sofa. And if we turn this house around, You can see a small room divider here, because here you can see the bed. I built a small reading lamp on the side table, bedside table, and there's also a flower. And here, piece of modern art or lightning. I have actually no idea, but it's really fun to play around with these basic pieces. By the way, I didn't use all the parts. There are still a good amount of parts left. Here also some bricks. So it's quite worth the money, because the box is 15 euros and the bricks are also 15 euros. And I think this box contains like 200 pieces or something. Also, the minifigures are actually quite good. They're both very simplistic, but there are 3 more head pieces. And you can mix the pants and the tops, so you can create a lot of different minifigs. Actually, I hope this isn't the last collaboration between Lego and Ikea. I like both brands a lot, and I like both products a lot. The Lego set is really good, and I think that maybe with my next visit to Ikea I will buy the other ones as well. For now, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Doei!